Now we have all of the services that are being accessed by mango.web. But what we want to do is we do not want direct exposure to the services. We want to create a gateway here using Ocelot. So let me create a new folder here. I will call that as Gateway, and let's create a project. We will add a new project here. Rather than creating an API, let me just create an empty ASP.NET Core application. So we'll select the ASP.NET Core empty here, and let me call this mango.gateway solution. Now usually I do not like to create the same folder name as well as the project name, so that's why I just added gateway solution here. Let's create that. Now in order to add Ocelot to our project, we need to add few NuGet packages. So let me manage those. We will go to the Browse tab here, and the first package that we will install is the identity model. Next package will be for the JWT bearer tokens. Let's install the same version here. And finally, we have our main package, which is Ocelot. As of this recording, 17 is the latest version. We will install that. Perfect. That's all the packages that we will require. With this, let's continue and configure our gateway in the next video.